right, next we have Emtek. Welcome Will Zhang, Director of Design and Product Innovation. Will, you're on.
Oh, thank you. All right. Thank you, Darren.
You're welcome.
Hello, KBiz. It's exciting to be here. Thank you for having us. So, you've all heard the saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words. And let me ask you this. If a 2D image can evoke, oh, I'm not even started, sorry. If a 2D image can evoke that level of communication, then how many words is a 3D printed object worth? And that is why we are so excited at Emtek to present the Galapagos project, our exploration of 3D printed door hardware, and how we're using algorithms to not only emulate nature and appearance, but in production. My remote's not working. Great. Anyways, so we've been using 3D printers for over a decade at Emtek, and it has truly revolutionized the industrial design process. And technology doesn't rest, just like Emtek doesn't rest. And now we have access to printing in new materials like metal. And with these new advances in technology, we ask ourselves this. We ask ourselves, how can 3D printing not only change the world of prototyping, but how can it change our industry? So we think to ourselves that our customers want hardware with personalization. You know, that's core of what we do at Emtek. We make homes truly unique. And not being satisfied with just printing any old 3D door lever, we asked ourselves, how can we make hardware more unique? Like living organism unique. And we stumbled across the science of algorithmic design, allowing us to do just that. So we had this idea that inspired us. We noticed the similarities between programming code, you know, the set of instructions used to produce a part on a 3D printer. Oh, we're back. There we go. With programming code and DNA, the genetic code used to replicate humans or animals. And you know, we thought to ourselves that, oh, I'm lost now. This thing threw me off.
I think you're doing great.
Okay. Well, thanks everybody.
I think you're killing it.
But anyways, so we created an algorithmic program called the Galapagos project that can generate unique patterns. And we applied that to our first set of designs and produced a set of biophilic, coral-inspired patterns. We're only going to produce 100 sets, and each piece will be unique, 3D printed in metal. So come check out our booth, W528, to actually see previewed 3D printed metal samples of these designs. We have a 3D printer. We're producing plastic prototypes of the designs. And we have a ton of fabulous new products. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Will. Will, I thought that was a great presentation.
Oh.
I thought you did amazing.
Well, thank you.
I just wanted to let you know. Does anybody have any questions?
Yes.
Do you use any kind of material? Is it just metal or wood?
So we are printing in stainless steel, metal, and copper. Currently you can't print in wood, but you can grow trees, which is pretty great. You can laser wood, correct, yeah. You're welcome.
Question over here.
Will there be any customization options?
Oh, so this is our first step into 3D printing, and I definitely think this will open the door for more ideas in the future, maybe even customization. Yeah.
Any other
All
questions?
right.
Okay.
Anyone else? Any other questions? It's a pretty cool product.
Thank you.
All right.
One more question.
Nope.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi. So is it all like breakthrough, or is it embossed on solid cast? Or is it both?
It's like both. You know, we're
Okay.
printing this thing, and these are actual like holes in the product.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome. Anyone else? Oh, got one here.
Oh,
How do you plan on polishing these things once, let's say, it starts wearing out or gets oxidized? So the problem we see
Yeah.
is that
that's a great
you've got-
question. So they're printed in stainless steel, so they won't oxidize, but we're also offering them in matte white and flat black finishes that will not wear and require upkeep.
All right. Thank you, Will.
Great, thank you
That
everybody.
was awesome.